Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I have this question to work on. It's an algebra question. We are to factorize this expression of degree 5. Now how do we approach this one? Well, here is the approach. So we have x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus 1. This is page 1. We have to factorize this. Now where do you start from? Like I said, the approach would be as follows. We take advantage of the fact that notice something here, that x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 factorizes quite beautifully as follows. If we use grouping terms method, we group these three terms and then group those three terms. So the common factor on the first part is going to be x cubed. You take x cubed out into x power 5, the answer is x squared. Plus this in there, the answer is x. We're talking about x cubed into x power 4. X cubed into x cubed, the answer is 1. This part here, as you can see, the common factor would be 1. So we have the same expression. 1 into that expression, you get the same expression. Now you see the common factor here is this one here. We take it out, we have x squared plus x plus 1. And then this expression into that, the answer is x cubed. This expression into that, the answer obviously is 1, as you can see. So now it factorizes so nicely like this. So this would be the approach. We start it like this. We can say therefore, because we do not want to change that expression, remember we added these three terms, 1, 2, 3. We have to subtract. So we are saying therefore x power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus 1 is the same as x power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus x plus 1, but we have to subtract these three terms here. These three terms, we have to subtract them. X power 3 minus x squared minus x. So this expression is equal to this one. Now we factorize the first part like we've done up there as follows. The common factor, remember grouping these three terms and then those three terms. So the common factor here is x cubed. Take it out. X cubed into x to the power 5 is x squared. X cubed into the x power 4 is just x. X cubed into x cubed, the answer is 1. And the common factor here, like we said up there, 1 into this expression, it will be the same expression, plus 1. And then we maintain this, x cubed minus x squared minus x. Now this part factorizes to, as you can see, x squared plus x plus 1 in one bracket. And then when you take this in there, the answer is x cubed. This in there, the answer is plus 1. And minus x cubed minus x squared minus x. Now, beautiful. So we factorize this part now as follows. So this is the same as x squared plus x plus 1 in one bracket. The other bracket is x cubed plus 1. And then the common factor, as you can see, would be minus x. Minus x into that expression, minus x into minus x cubed is x squared. Minus x into minus x squared is x. And then minus x into minus x is 1. Now you see the common factor there. We take it out. The common factor is x squared plus x and plus 1. Dividing this into that, it will just be x cubed plus 1, remember? And then divide this into that, the answer is minus x. Now we can rewrite this part here as follows. In our final step, we're going to have the following. It will be x squared plus x plus 1 in one bracket. The other bracket is x cubed minus x plus 1. This is our final solution to this algebra question, which required us to factorize something looking very intimidating, that expression here, and yet taking advantage of what happens here, we've been able to factorize it. Tell me what you think about this. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Your feedback remains vital. Please support the channel by subscribing, and we'll be grateful. All right, see you next time.